Hi, I'm in my kitchen today for the next segment of Prioritize Organizing. These are organizing tasks that you can do in 5-minute increments to stay organized in your home. Today we're talking about the dishwasher. This is my dishwasher. Just like everyone else, it's next to my sink. My big tip for you today with the dishwasher is to have a regular schedule and when you run and empty your dishwasher. That way, nobody can leave dirty dishes in the sink because everyone in your house will know that your dishwasher has been emptied. I usually empty my dishwasher first thing in the morning while my coffee is brewing. It really only takes 5 minutes. A tip for you is to locate the items that you wash in your dishwasher most often as close as possible to your dishwasher. Then you don't expend extra energy running through your kitchen putting things away. You can pretty much stand still and put everything back in its home. This is also a great task that you can delegate to your kids. It certainly teaches them responsibility. And they will know that the dishwasher needs to be unloaded because it's clean at the end of the day, when they get home from school, or first thing in the morning before they leave. It's a great task to give to kids. See, it's not too hard to stay organized by doing things in 5-minute increments.